How to BUY dollar BSD, Best Wallet Token Crypto Coin. How to buy Best Wallet Token, BWT. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project featured on this channel, always do your own research. Now, let's get started on how to buy the Best Wallet Token, BWT. Step 1. Check the official website and follow updates. Before purchasing Best Wallet Token, BWT, make sure to check the official website and stay updated on the project's developments. They also have an active community where you can engage and get the latest news about the token and its progress. Since the token is currently in pre-sale, you have some options to buy. Let's walk through the process. Step 2. Choosing your payment method. There are two ways to buy the Best Wallet Token. Buy with crypto. Buy with a card. For this guide, we'll be going with the crypto option. If you prefer buying with a card, I will explain that later. Step 3. Connect your wallet. Connect a wallet. On the pre-sale page of the official website, select the option to buy with crypto. You will be prompted to connect your wallet. For this tutorial, I'll use MetaMask, but you can also use other wallets like Trust Wallet, Binance Smart Chain, BNB, or Ethereum. If you don't have a wallet connected, there's an option to scan a QR code and download the wallet app on your phone. Select Ethereum network. Since Best Wallet Token, BWT, is available on the Ethereum network, ensure you select Ethereum, ETH, for the transaction. You will need ETH in your wallet to cover both the gas fees and the amount you wish to spend on purchasing the token. Step 4. Set up your transaction. Enter the amount. After connecting your wallet, enter how much Best Wallet Token, BWT, you want to buy. Ensure that you have at least 0.005 ETH in your wallet to cover the transaction's gas fees. Gas fees are required for processing transactions on the Ethereum network. Click on Buy Best. Once you've entered the amount, simply click on the Buy Best button to initiate the purchase process. Step 5. Buy with a card option. If you prefer to buy using a credit card instead of crypto, follow these steps. Disconnect your wallet. First, disconnect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Disconnect option. Select Buy with Card. After disconnecting, you'll see an option to Buy with Card. Click on this option to proceed with card payment. Connect wallet again. You will need to reconnect your wallet, for example, MetaMask. After reconnecting, enter the amount of Best Wallet Token, BWT, you want to purchase. Enter your details. Click Buy Best again, and you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Once you enter your number, you will receive a verification code. Submit verification code. Copy the code you receive via SMS and paste it in the verification field on the website. Click Submit to complete the purchase process. Step 6. Finalizing your purchase. Confirm payment. Once the verification code is submitted, the system will process your payment. After a few seconds, the transaction will be completed and your Best Wallet Token, BWT, will be added to your wallet. Conclusion. Now you know how to buy the Best Wallet Token, BWT, whether through crypto or by using a credit card. If you followed the steps carefully, you should now have your tokens in your wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials and crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and write in the comments whether my method helped you. See you soon, friends. Peace out.